hello, namaste. Welcome back to Telangana Properties Hub. Today we are in Patancheru to show you a HMDA approved project which is in Indresham. And this place has ORR connectivity. We can also see newly constructed houses on the main road also. This place has gated community villas, flats are also constructed. And this mega project has been launched for Ugadi. Many IT employees are staying at this place because Gachibowli, High-Tech City, Financial District, Kokapet are very near to this project. And our project is very near to main road. We can see from main road, if we take a left, we can go to our project. Here also we can see there are constructing apartments on the left side and the right side also. This is our project, which is very adjacent to Turbo Engineering College. Coming to the location highlights, Outer Ring Road is 2 minutes drive, GMR Convention Hall, RTO office, Patancheru bus station are also 3 minutes drive. Central government institutions like BDL and ODF takes around 5 minutes drive, and also Muttangi Junction, ORR and bus station, all banks are around 5 minutes drive. We can also say that proposed metro railway station would be 7 minutes from this project. 10 minutes drive from BHEL. Sultanpur 800 acre medical devices, SEDGE is 10 minutes. Major schools like Oakdale International School, Silver Oaks, Oak Ridge, Ambitus, The Creek are 15 minutes drive from this place. 20 minutes drive from Gachibowli Financial District and 30 minutes drive from High-Tech City. Per square yard, it costs 30,000. For more details, please contact us on the below mentioned number. Let us see now project highlights. It has spot registration, HMDA approved layout, TS RERA certified projects, grand entrance arch, blacktop roads, underground drainage, overhead water tank, water pipeline for all roads, landscape gardens, avenue plantation, modern street lights, water harvesting pits, 24/7 security facility, 100% as per Vastu. We can also see that there are constructing houses here. For more details, please contact us on the below mentioned number. And if you haven't subscribed for this channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.